Got a GA1 file from a Galactic Civilizations campaign and want to continue your conquest? This save format preserves your interstellar empire. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Galactic Civilizations saves. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common GA1. Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. Users encounter .ga1 files when saving their progress in the turn-based strategy game. Galactic Civilizations. This file contains all the necessary data to resume a game session, including player status, galaxy map state, technology trees, and diplomatic relations. Opening it allows players to continue their interstellar conquest. The .ga1 format is a proprietary binary data structure designed by Stardock for efficient game state management. It serializes complex game objects and variables into a compact file, prioritizing fast loading and saving times over human readability. This binary approach prevents easy modification and protects game integrity. In most cases, GA1 files work best with Galactic Civilizations created by Stardock. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your GA1 file and select Open With. Test Galactic Civilizations if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If your GA1 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, loading in Galactic Civilizations. Place GA1 files in the appropriate save directory, typically located within Documents or the Game Installation folder. Launch Galactic Civilizations and access the save through the Load Game interface. The complete campaign state loads with all Empire details preserved for continued gameplay. Next, backing up campaigns. Copy GA1 save files to backup locations, protecting against file corruption or accidental deletion. Cloud storage works well for save backups, enabling continuation across multiple computers. Regular backups preserve significant gameplay investment in long campaigns spanning many hours of strategic play. Finally, sharing with community. Share GA1 save files through Galactic Civilizations community forums or fan sites for showcasing impressive campaigns or asking strategic advice. Recipients load your saves to experience your civilization's situation directly. Include backstory and strategic context when sharing for meaningful community engagement. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.